Hey guys, we're here at Shaw's. This is what she looks like in Monson. They've actually got the two houses. The red house that you just saw is actually a personal residence. They also have a suite up top if you're interested in the private room there, and they also have a couple of private rooms in this residence as well. Then that is a bunkhouse right there. And then that's the cottage. I think it's also bunk style. Maybe there's some private rooms there, I'm not entirely certain. So this is sort of the primary entrance into Shaw's on the back side. Got a little spot here for the fire and just to chill. They also allow tenting in between the two buildings. So there's quite a bit of tenting space. It just changes, sometimes it gets slammed. There's the gear room right there, the gear shop. They have pretty good resupply for the 100-mile wilderness. They also have pretty good gear selection. I even have some bags and that sort of thing. No shoes though, so if you're looking for shoes, gonna have to make other arrangements, but they do have poles and bags and rain gear and other things that you'd need, but obviously bug spray or whatever, all that sort of stuff. And then some food as well. So this is what Shaw's looks like. Then this is the common area. Interesting stuff. Okay guys, we're just gonna quickly cover the 3 miles between Lake Hebron, I think is how you pronounce it, and ME15. That will leave like a 33-mile day for tomorrow, which is doable from Caratunk up to Monson. This pass at Monson. Let's see what we got here. All right, I'll probably have to make sure I hit that tomorrow, come up and then go back. Right, yeah. Just make sure I'm on the right trail here. This shows a blue blaze. That is a blue blaze. And I don't see a white blaze. Southbound white blaze. So now that is definitely a blue blaze up there. So maybe what I saw where it said the AT, and I said I'd have to come back, that I thought that was south, maybe that was actually north. So, all right, we'll figure this out together, won't we? Now, my friends, that is not right. So this is apparently the AT. It says to the AT right there. So we will try this one more time. It's completely unblazed. I think I will have to go onto Guthook and confirm it. So let me do that and I'll get back to you. Yeah, the reason that was a blue blaze is that's from the parking lot at the lake up to the trail. So that was appropriately blazed blue. Now I'm on the trail, blazed white. I'm just gonna punch out to this other section and then give Charles a call, and we will be back at it. So it said it was 3.3 miles. Back on the sign at the actual junction. So hopefully that'll take under an hour. We will see. Okay, back at you. All right, guys. Just took care of that 3.4 miles. I'm now at ME15 here in the parking lot. I'll take you to the sign to show you the same one that Random and I hit as we were going into the 100-mile wilderness. Boom, that's it right there. Took just a couple minutes over an hour. So pretty steady 3 mile an hour jaunt through there. It is kind of rocks and roots, but haven't had rain in quite a while, and so the mud was pretty dried up, so able to push through, really quickly. It really just the roots, but obviously pardon me, obviously able to go through there without too much problem. 3 mile an hour works for me, and if you've got longer legs and everything, you could probably push beyond that. Okay, so that means we're good for tomorrow. Charles will drop me off at Caratunk in the morning. I'll punch out the 33.6, I want to say, and can walk right back to Shaw's, and that will be that. And then the hike will be finished, absolutely finished. So that's big, I guess, huh? 33.6 miles until this 2,190.9 hike is completely finished. So you've been with me the whole time, and we'll do it together tomorrow. So until then.